What up, Pyros? It's that time of the year again. This is my July 2025 fireworks stash. Start off over here. Got an all-American family pack. Come over here. Got 5-inch Loteria shells. These have a nice mine effect going up. Got a sleeve of 6-inch Bad Donkeys. Ocho 8-inch Salute cans. One of the hardest hitting cans on the market, next to Loco. Down here we got the Dope Era. It's a 2-1 compound. You get 3 cakes on the board. Comes with 2 sets. It's a nice little piece. Down here, got Deadpool ground salutes, some quarter sticks. Over here, now on this side we got some 5-shot Roman candles, Egomaniac, nice little candles. Some novelties, Oinker's Rule, 36-shot. Nice little fan cake. Got 2 of those. If you don't got these, recommend you should get them. It's a nice cake. Bella Ciao, 36-shot. It's a heavy one. Bro Luigi, if you know, you know. Nice banger. Dog Attack. Virus Alert. Shockwave. 100-shot instant. It's a nice little lineup. Okay, coming to here, going into the big boars. Oh yeah, Street Swagger. You see it? I believe it's a 2.5, maybe 275. It's a 36-shot. Nice effects on these. Got Dragon Tamer. 36-shot 3-inch cake. Not sure if you guys can see it, but look at the size of the board. Right here. Massive. Dragon Tamer. Coming up here, got Silver Rogue Sparkers. Got a case of these. These are nice to light up anytime. Nice waterfall effect on those. Now going into the 1-1s, compounds. Got X. New for this year. Let me get this out of the way. New for this year. I think this is better than Nosferatu, in my opinion. 221 shots. You see it? Definitely recommend. Down here we got Master Stage. Another banger cake. Got that new Money Line by Nunya. 235-shot banger. You guys already know, Sin City. 180 shots. 1%er been going crazy on these new cakes. 10 out of 10. Y'all gotta get that. Ready to roll. Another hitter by Nunya. 205 shots. Nice angles. Death Row. 365 shots. This motherfucker's a backbreaker, bro. So this is all the 1-1s on this side. Now we're getting into the rockets. Got 3 Raiden rockets. Oh shit. 3 Raidens, fucking massive. They're like tiki bombs. Got a 2-stage nuclear to Coco Willow, I believe this one is. Then right here, we got strobes, West Coast family. You guys already know. This side, a lot more strobes. Oh yeah, baby. Look at the chop. We got how many? 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. Coming into here. Oh yeah. Cocos. All Raccoon brand. All Nishikis. One of my favorite effects out there. Nishiki the blue. Here, I have a single pack of DBZ rockets and a whole case of 3-inch mean machines. These are nice. I believe they're a bad boy rewrap, one of those. You see these, recommend. They come 10-3 in a case. So yeah, y'all, this is my stash for the 2025 season. If you guys like it, like, comment, subscribe. I hope you guys have a good 4th. See ya.